The Lagos State Technical and Vocational Board, Lastveb, has organized a one-day workshop on improving digital content development for selected teachers and instructors of technical colleges in Lagos. This digital initiative was first introduced during the COVID-19 pandemic, and since then, Lastveb has improved on the initiative.
We are trying to upgrade our teacher from analog to digital in terms of dissemination of learning, teaching in the classroom. So we have now decided to take 300 in batches to take them on a training on AI, how to use AI to prepare their content, how to use Canvas to make their lesson notes, so that everything can go on as it is planned and everybody can teach and learn without sweat.
The executive secretary of the board, Ms. Ronke Aziz, said, with the world embracing technology every day, Lastveb must not be left behind.
The world is moving on. There's a lot of things that are happening in terms of the digital space. And Lastveb, or technical and vocational education, must not be left behind. We must make sure that we integrate technology in our everyday things that we're doing in our technical colleges, so that what we're doing is relevant to the world of work, and that the students themselves have that knowledge, have that practical experience when they go out to work.
The teachers were taught how to use AI to develop content.
We can both ask the AI the same question. We are going to ask the same question, and we are going to ask the same question. It will give you different response on what it's going to give you. Just because I understand the use of prompts, I understand the use of instruction, I'm able to give it proper instruction, detailed instruction. By giving detailed instruction, it will take the context of what I've provided it, and it will give me the response of what I need.
You don't have to look for a professional designer to design for you. Consider the fact that technology has made things easy for everybody. So with your phone, you can easily create a design. And one fantastic thing about Canva is the fact that they've already designed or created some templates that you can actually manipulate to your own favor. Right? You can use it to create something unique, something amazing, that when they see, they'll be like, are you a graphic designer?
Teachers are very busy people, and now we have some interesting AI tools that can help them do that work faster, especially around lesson development, lesson plan, quiz generation, slide generation, just to ensure that they are creating e-content, that can help aid the idea of blended learning in our schools. So we want to increase the engagement between the teacher teaching and the student watching, and also looking at it like we want to scale accessibility.
Using the artificial intelligence in my content development now has actually made my work much more easier, and me having much more time for my students, for both their practical and the theory.
AI is very, very important to my field because it makes my work very easy. When you personalize it, it gives you the exact things that you want to teach the students, and it makes teaching learning process very, very easy.
I have really learned so many things from this program, and I saw that using this for learning, it helps to be able to develop better content and help us to be able to get specific information directly, for my teaching, rather than going through the normal process where we try to source out information, especially from Google, and it is not specific to what we want to really teach.
I must really commend Lastveb and then Lagos State at large because of this opportunity given unto us to come for this training. It has really opened my eyes to see a better future for this country, and in all honesty too, it will give more room for the students, for learning to be easier, for teaching to be easier for teachers also.
Lastveb says it will continue to train teachers to ensure they are globally competitive.